Can you really earn $50 per click? Well, that's what this video claims on YouTube. So I went and investigated and I actually tested it to find out whether it was true or were they just actually using clickbait just to get people onto the video. Now I'm going to walk you through everything that he says. I'm actually going to go into even more details than what he actually shows you on his video so that I can uncover whether it is true that you can earn $50 per click with this method of making money online. So make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. You're going to need to know everything about this before you start this method. Yeah, hi, I'm Martin from martinburt.online and I make videos about making money online so that you can make money online. Now I found this video on YouTube that claims he was earning $50 per click with this money making method. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and obviously hit the notification bell so then you'll get notified every time I make more videos just like this. Okay, so the first thing he talks about obviously earning this $50 per click. He also says that you can actually get a payment method of a wire transfer. You can obviously get PayPal and Payoneer. And it also says you're going to get paid bi-weekly or upon request. So the first thing you need to do is go across to a site called afpaying.com, which is where you can find all these sort of offers. We're going to be looking at this offer here, which is called Lemonade. So Lemonade is actually a direct advertiser with unique high converting CPA, CPL and CPS offers. Now CPA stands for cost per action or acquisition. CPL is cost per lead and CPS is cost per sale. Now obviously there is no mention of any cost per click at this rate, but stay with us. Make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. This is a legit way you can earn money, but I'm going to be revealing stuff that you're going to want to know before you actually take on this method. So make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. Now this offer is available in 25 plus countries from all over the world. And what we've got to go and do next, we've got to go and join Lemonade, and then we can sort out the offers of where you're going to actually start earning your money. So just click on the join now button here. This will take you across to this page here. Now what you want to do, you want to sign up as a webmaster. So you're going to go and take the unique offers and actually promote them out, where the advertiser is someone who's actually got a product that they want advertising. So if we click on sign up here, and it just says choose your role. So obviously we want webmaster publisher. And now all you need to do here is fill in your email, your login, which needs to be a bit like a username. This is your Telegram if you've got it, if you've got Telegram. And this is quite important because you will need to actually use Telegram at one point. But don't worry too much if you haven't got Telegram. It's free to join and we can show you how to do that. And then you fill in your password, which means then you can actually sign up. So once you actually get signed up, you will go and then need to actually activate via the email. They will send you an email to your email inbox. And this is what I came across when I went across to my inbox. As you can see here, all of a sudden, straight away, I've got so many emails coming through of different promotions that I can actually do. So this is the email you get, and this is basically introducing. My name is Sophie, and I am the support manager for Lemonade. Can you write to me in Telegram? This is where the Telegram bit comes in. You have to write to her in Telegram. Now, as you can see here, this is what I went and done. And we had a brief conversation, and basically what they want to do, they want to know what you're going to be promoting, where you're going to be promoting it, and all that sort of thing. So this is something you will need to go through. And at the end of it, they'll probably give you your own account manager, which is this lady here. So I clicked on that, had another brief conversation where I said why I wanted to actually promote. So you will need to have an idea roughly of what you're going to want to promote before you actually sign up for this. That was all fine. We got the go ahead on that, and I got my account up and running. This guy doesn't tell you this, whether he actually went and actually activated his account. Probably not. But I activated it. As you can see here, this is my username, and obviously this is my account manager here. And this is your dashboard that you would actually come into. So we want to go into offers. So now what he's stating in his video is that you can actually go and click on this. That's actually going to get you $50 per click. So as he said in his video, he was saying that you can get $50 per click on this website. This is misinformation, unfortunately. All you've gone and done, you've come on to afpain.com, and all you've come and done is actually sign up for another affiliate network. Yes, you're right, it's about bi-weekly payments. You can pay by PayPal, Payoneer, and bank transfer. That's all sort of thing. Got all these types of offers. That's all correct. But what he doesn't tell you, this £50 is this $50 is not per click. This is the minimum payout. Okay, so this is the minimum you have to hit before they will allow you to pay out. So it's not quite the same. But there are various offers on here. So stay tuned and we'll show you how you can actually go and use this and make money. This does work, guys. It is a legitimate way to make money. I don't think you're going to get $50 just for getting a click. And like I say, we came into the offers here. Now I'm looking for offers in the United Kingdom, also the USA. Click apply and you should start getting some offers. Okay, so these are the offers, okay, that you can actually use. Now obviously I've gone into the health sector. So now what you've got here, you've got the payment model. So CPS, if we go back to our list again, the CPS is cost per sale. You're going to get paid a commission once you make a sale. So that's not a click, that is a sale. Now he also says that he shows you just to go and actually promote this on places like X, as in Twitter. And you can do that. I've also said in my conversation with my manager that I was going to use TikTok. TikTok is very good at this at the moment. And I would probably recommend TikTok being better than X, to be honest, because you're going to get in front of more people. Now, the thing is, with any of these products, like anything online, in order to make sales, you've got to build up what we call know, like, and trust. Now, if it was 5-10 years ago, then maybe people would be clicking and buying. But nowadays, so many people are getting scammed online that they are having to have that know, like, and trust before they go and buy. What he was saying about getting $50 per click and that sort of thing was very, very hypey and really unrealistic. But that said, like I say with this, even if you said this keto and ABC gummies in the United Kingdom, you can get the price is $39 and the payouts are from $90. Now, all you want to do is if you want to come through, once you've done all that, you've got your account. If you do want to actually promote some of these, then all you need to do is come over here and say attach to an offer. And then you just need to press the join button here, especially if it says it is a private offer, which most of them are. And you must, it says you to access, you must make a request. So you then request to join this offer that you want to actually promote. And that's how it works, okay? Once you've got that, then you will get links and marketing materials, all that sort of thing that you can then put on things like social media and TikTok. But I would also recommend that you actually build your own website as well. If you're going to do this seriously, then take it seriously. It is a business and it can be a very lucrative business. But by having a website, you're going to build the know, like, and trust even quicker. And if you want to know more about how you can do that, then make sure you grab my affiliate profit formula. And I'll put that, it's a free mini video course that I do all about doing affiliate marketing. And that's exactly what this sort of marketing is, because you're marketing other people's products. It works in exactly the same way. I'll leave a link in the description here where you can go and access the course for free. There's no upsells, nothing like that. And you can also join my free Facebook community where I actually help people. So if you're on Facebook, you can come and join that and I can help you make your first $1,000 online. Okay, so just recapping quickly, obviously you don't have to go to afpain.com. You could just go to lemonad.com and you can actually sign up directly on their website. It boils down to, yes, this is a method you could actually earn money with, but you're not going to make $50 per click, I'm afraid. Very, very unlikely to begin with. But once you start building your business up, getting that know, like, and trust, you could send out emails, you could get a click, you could do a post on your social media accounts, you could get that click and someone would buy. And it could actually earn you more than $50 once you've set up, because if they buy a recurring product, you might get paid every single month. So hopefully that has cleared up and gone through all the things you needed. If you've got any more questions about this, then make sure you obviously drop me a comment below the video and I'll gladly help you out. Also, don't forget my affiliate profit formula course and my online community. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.